Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican with Tania. I am your lady Tania. Today I want to share some tips on what to do before visiting the Jamaican Wharf and the agency you use to ship your items. Remember to subscribe to the channel, this channel, and share this video. This is what to do, especially in the holiday season. Guys, I am here to collect 6 barrels, 2 for the Chat Jamaican channel, 2 for Sim Forever, and 2 for another YouTuber who stated that if I call her name or channel on my channel, her sponsors will not support her anymore. So here we go. 1. Make an appointment with the agency that ship your items. Let them know the time and date you will be visiting. 2. Select an early time, best when they are open. Leave your house early and ensure that you reach before they are open. This will give you a chance to be the first one to go into the agency. 3. Move quickly and as fast as possible to the wharf area or gate that they have instructed you to pick up. 4. Head to the front of the line and ensure that your ID matches the document. 5. Move to the cashier as quickly as possible to sort out all payments and documents. Sometimes amendments are being made. 6. Wait patiently for your name and move as quickly as possible to your table so that the customs officer can inspect your items. 7. Pay your taxes and all other charges. 8. Collect your gate pass to go to the back for pickup. That was all I did, and it took me 6 hours. I arrived 8:30 a.m. and left 2:30 p.m. Please note, some people will get through before you based on the amount of items they are collecting. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. I might even get through it. No, see me 3 barrel them the right there, so. Take on the right here, so. Yeah, that's why I said then 3 they are mine. Remember, sir? See the 2 black must go in first. And then the grey after the other girl. We got country, so that is correct. Huh? Yeah, 6 of them are going there. The other 3 must go as well. In the van here.
Which 2 are got front?
Then 2 there. All of them 3 there for their front.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I understand. 2 we are gonna let them off at different places. Then 2 they are mine. That and that are mine. See, have on the block? Yeah. Me recording.
I keep on right over.
6. Yeah, so the other 3. Yeah.
Alright, so this now.
So this one now, and then the other grey, and then she forget the 2 grey.
Alright, this one now, okay? This one now first, okay?
Oh, but it's over there, so. It's on.
Hold on. Reverse out. You rubber hard up now. 5, come in now. Alright, this one. Alright, yeah.
The one.
And then there's 2 ways to go in, man. Alright, wow.
No, man, this is for the girl. She collect it out the road now, you know. Yes. Yeah, she out there. While leaving, the security guard has to check and inspect to ensure that we're leaving with the correct amount of barrel and also the correct barrels. Please note, the other YouTuber picked up her barrel privately. Come now, Sim, we talk a little bit quick. So, guys, come out and look like them are reverse. So we have Sim Forever. Wait, that is her real name?
Simone Henry.
So Simone is her real name, and guys, to give you an update on what is happening, Cindy British, we want to big her up over there in England, she, Winston and Dean, they have taken the effort to send us these barrels. And the barrels, guys, they are right here. We are dropping off Sim Sim on. You can check out our YouTube channel. What's the name of your channel?
Sim Sim Forever.
Sim Sim Forever. And what is it that you do on your channel most of the time?
Charity like about the elder.
Yes, yes. And which side you're at?
Portland.
And she's at the Portland side. So we really want to thank Winston and Dean, yes, for this opportunity, guys. Right? And they operate a local family shop over there in London. And blessings to Cindy British. You can also check out her YouTube page for sending us these barrels. And I am happy for the opportunity to meet Sim Sim Forever, you know. And she's a wonderful soul, guys. What is it that you want to say to everyone out there?
I just want to say thanks and big up everybody, all of the Portland crew, England, New York, all over the world. Bless up on yourself and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Bless up on yourself.
Yes, yes. All right. So nice seeing you.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. So Cindy British, Winston, and Dean, they have taken the time out to do the barrels in order for me now to be able to distribute them. And then we just want to tell them thanks for all the hard work that, you know, they have done in order to put it together. And you have heard how the process that I went through in order to collect them. So I'm going to show you now some of the stuff that came into the barrel. Okay, guys, so this is barrel 2. This is number 2 and it is still packed. I don't get the chance as yet to take out that one, but this one now, I am all the way down to almost completed 3/4. I have about a quarter left to be removed from the barrel. But guys, these are some of the stuff that I've taken out so far. I have taken out flour. And you have your 2 types of flour that is here, long grain rice and vegetable oil, corn flakes, and I saw some, this is mayonnaise and salad cream. I have also over here some books, pencils, pens, beans, red kidney beans, spaghetti, some pain medication. Guys, that is what we have taken out so far out of the barrel. Macaroni and all of that. All right, so we have some clothes here, jacket, lovely jacket suit, so you can, and yes, here are some more jackets that we have here, some baby clothes, some girl baby clothes as well. Located here, we have some lovely dresses that came into the barrel as well. Lovely dress and pants and so female blouse and stuff like that. So I am still taking out, but so far I am indeed grateful for all that was taken out already. I'm going to take out some more now, guys. Some bags, I got some bags that I'm going to pack them into. These are the bags that I have purchased. So I purchased these bags and I'm going to pack them into packages where they can be distributed. Also, guys, the YouTuber Fire Read, I am going to share some of the contents that I have received, some of the stuff that I have received with him, so that he can share with his community members as well. Fine tools. Alright guys, so we have received some tools, some gardening tools, other tools right there, then some cornmeal and some more macaroni. Also guys, so this is one barrel that we're looking at. You know, we just have to be thankful for them, thankful for Cindy British, thankful for Winston and also Dean, in order for all of this to be here right now, you know. And some pants, clothes, children clothes and so on. And now I'm going to go into barrel number 2, because this is what we have here in barrel number 1. And indeed we are so grateful, because a lot of people can benefit from this, and this is truly a blessing. Also, I'm going to share with another channel, which is Fire Read, so I'm going to share with him as well. So, oh, I did show the shoes. We have a pair of shoes here, and also this barrel now, I'm going to try my best to go through it right now, and stay with me. All right guys, so 3/4 down into the second barrel, one of the sugar bursts, so it is giving me a little bit more work to do. However, look at that, baked bean sugar. Oh, this barrel had a set of sugar, and almost the same that was into the first one. More flour, more oil, beef and so on. So guys, we're just indeed grateful for everything so far. So let me just complete the barrel right here. All right guys, so I reached to the bottom of the second barrel. Okay guys, so this is what we got out of the 2 barrel. We got flour, rice, cooking oil, snacks, 1 cornflakes. We only got 1 cornflakes guys, and we got some macaroni and beans, baked beans. We have clothes here, towel, we have a baby bag, and we have both female clothes. So I saw some male pants, some small male pants in there. I guess this is one, or probably can be both sex, you know. So we got some little pants like that, and cornmeal, the tools that are here. We got some more rice, more pasta over here on the shelf guys. Sugar, these are sugar, baked bean, more mayonnaise, more cooking oil and so on. So that is what we have so far. So I'm going to do some bagging now, so that everyone can benefit. You can see in the barrel empty, It is empty. Oh, another pair of shoes, and also in this bag. All right, guys. So this is how they have been packed so far. So I'm going to deliver into maybe 4 communities. It depends, and find 5 persons to give a bag. 5 people in each community, and ensure that they get a bag. But I have plenty more to go. Plus, I'm going to do some as well for Fire Read, the YouTuber. The clothes now would have to be sorted out another time, but for now I am working on the food to have them delivered. All right, so I will go around, seek as well who in the community would need some clothes and all of that, and then I'll make the preparation to give them out. But this is where I'm at, and I'm still packing and still doing some more, so hopefully I'll have enough for Christmas Day in order to give out when ready. Okay guys, right. So I have finished the packaging. I do hope that you enjoy this video and see everything that has been done. And then guys, on Christmas Day these packages will be delivered. Thank you for watching the channel. Please remember to subscribe. Everything that is on the table here will be donated to Fire Read channel so that he can bless somebody as well. So all those that are not packed will be going to Fire Read, and then these will be distributed that are here. So guys, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of